Hi!
Hello!
How's it?
Awesome!
Good morning, guys. I've stopped using the elevator because we only live on the 15th floor, so it's not much of a problem. How's everyone doing? Going out with the family, so I thought let me start the vlog from the staircase. Yeah, no more elevators, and using the staircase helps you burn some calories. Anyways, come along with us. I think the voice is echoing a lot over here. So we have to take two elevators. This elevator goes to the parking and the other elevator goes to the apartments. So this is a smaller elevator. We have a much bigger one for the apartments. So this is my parking lot, guys. I've shared it in many videos. All the cars are spaced out and each one has at least 2 to 3 cars. That's very common in the US. So yeah, we have about 11 levels of parking in this building. This is where I park my cars, and we don't have to pay for parking. With our apartment comes 2 parking spots, and with our apartment comes 2 parking spots. If you want to rent extra parking, you have to pay about $70 to $80 a month just for the parking. Hey guys, where are we, Karishma?
Today we are at Crystal Lake Park.
Okay.
Neighborhood park. It's just super small.
Crystal Lake Park, it's like very close to our house. We just thought let's come out of the house and do some time pass. Very pretty over here. Ivanka is geese spotting, so there are a lot of geese over there and one is coming near us. We better run away. I don't want to be attacked by a geese. Karishma, careful, they think you have food in your hand, huh? Okay, so the geese thinks we have food in our hand, which actually we don't. And it was coming towards us. Maybe I'll get a good title out of the video. Geese attack. Yeah, if you ever see a herd of geese or a flock of geese, I don't know what they're called. Herd or flock? Herd of geese?
A gaggle?
A gaggle of geese. Okay, I'm learning new words today. But we just came out to check out the waterfront here. It's not really a lot of water, but it's a cute lake. And there's a geese again. I think it wants to take Ivanka. So Ivanka's careful, which is a good thing. We don't want to be attacked by any geese for sure. But their beaks are very strong. If they bite you or attack on your face, it's a bit dangerous. So this is coming. This one is a bit too close to us. So yeah, getting attacked by a geese live on YouTube.
On the border.
I think we should go, Karishma, because it thinks we got food. Lot of nice trees here, but now with the geese, I think we're going to exit this place. Yeah, this is the downside of exploring. When you come to a place, you may not find everything at one spot. But Karishma spotted this location and we thought, let's come and sit around here for a bit. That guy there. So the rest are all over there. The rest of the geese are all scattered out, but there's one lone ranger who is after us, so we better exit. And I can hear it making some noises too. Karishma, it was chasing you, I think.
I think you thought I had food in my backpack, which obviously I didn't.
Karishma never has food in her backpack. That's why she's so slim.
No, I do. I carry food. I've got water in my backpack today, which is important.
So we are heading somewhere else, but yes, I'm taking you guys along for the adventures. And did you notice we are both wearing green today?
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it just happens by default. Ivanka, are you wearing green too? No, Ivanka's in pink. Yeah, so the only reason I escaped that place is because these can, induce harm on you if they attack you. Because if they think you're feeding them and you don't have food, actually they'll come to bite that food and suddenly pounce. And I didn't want them attacking one of our eyes, So better to be safe with wild animals, even if you think they're innocent, which they mostly are. You never know when they can attack. Let's escape and leave them in their own habitat. Okay guys, we've come to a very interesting place, a store that I love the most. Karishma, where are we going?
We're going to check out some bicycles.
Yes, so Karishma's got the bicycle bug and she's going to buy a bike probably which she and Darren can both share. So I have my own bike, Ivanka has her bike, but she'll probably pick up a Trek. There's a new Trek store open right there. I will not take the big camera, but I'll show some B-roll with the phone if she buys something. So Karishma is planning to also start cycling. Actually, with COVID, everyone is getting into cycling, which is an awesome. All the cycle stores are booming and sales have skyrocketed. So that's great. Hopefully, we'll be the next Copenhagen. If you ever check, Copenhagen in Denmark has the most cyclists on the road ever in the world. So because I went there on work and everyone cycles over there. So hopefully the US will follow soon and India too. What do you say?
3 cheers to that.
Yeah.
Muscle power.
I'm also going to borrow Karishma's cycle. Hopefully. We'll look at a mountain bike kind of hybrid bike. So let's see. Careful, you would have fallen. Hi!
Hello!
How's it?
Awesome!
So Karishma has joined the biking family. Very proud.
Straight or should I take a right and
Straight and right, follow me. The next one, not here. Hey guys, we're back home and Karishma, welcome to the cycling family.
Excited about it.
This is her first cycle, at least since I know her. You've never really bought a bike.
I
So
haven't
when was
bought
your
a
last bike? Years, decades.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the bike. This is the Trek FX2 and that's what it is. So pretty nice tires. They're more like a road bike hybrid tire and not a full-on, mountain bike, which we didn't want something very fat. The seat is quite comfortable. It's got 24 gears, so eight gears on this side and 3 on this side. So, how was the ride, Karishma?
I really enjoyed it. So
Tiring?
I rode not so bad. I thought it would be worse. So I rode from the cycle store, which is how many miles?
Maybe
A
2
mile?
miles.
2 miles. So a couple
but
of
lot
miles.
of slopes.
Yeah, a lot of ups and downs, and but it was quite exciting.
The funny part is the Trek store that I showed you, they didn't have any bike below $2,400. But my local bike store, Strictly Bicycles, had this, which is within our budget. So we paid about $650.
Yeah.
$650 for a Trek bike, I think, is not bad at all. And we bought a helmet and a side stand because bikes don't come with a stand. So Karishma has joined the biking family, and we are going to probably take a ride this evening.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Looking forward to it.
So now she has a new hobby. Yeah. So hope you enjoyed the bike. Karishma is very excited. In fact, it is her first bike in America. We've been in the US 10 years if I add up all the years, and she's never bought a bike. So this is the first time she thought of doing something different on the physical side. She's always jogged and done gym and cardio activities, but she likes to cycle. She's tried my cycles sometimes, but they're too big for her. So we were just talking, and on her own she said, let me decide, let me just go for a bike. And she's promised that she's going to use it a lot, and I'm sure she will. So we're planning some biking journeys. Let's see, around our area. We are not planning anything crazy, but we will do more biking vlogs together with the GoPro. I've got 2 GoPros, so maybe mount one on Karishma's bike and one on my bike. Let's see. We'll decide. The primary point is for us to work out and burn some calories. Shooting videos is just secondary. So thanks guys again for your support. Hope you enjoyed the bike. This is the Trek FX2, and it is a hybrid bike. So it is not a mountain bike with the fat tires. We didn't want that because it's very tough to ride on the road with those fat tires, especially in Fort Lee. We have a lot of hilly area and a lot of slopes. So it's the Trek FX2. The price of the bike was $650. We also bought her a helmet and a side stand and some gloves. So all that was about $850 the total cost. So yes, I'm sharing all details with you. And I guess prices all over the world are the same for a good bike like a Trek. So she's very happy, and we usually maintain our things very well. We send the bikes for servicing and all very regularly. So these bikes will last us 10-15 years easily. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Wishing all my Indian brothers and sisters a very happy Independence Day for 15th August tomorrow. And my blessings to everyone out there in India. Take care, have a lovely weekend, stay safe, bye.